Hunter Kenney ceiling fan at Lowe's, as you can tell. Man, how many times did I have to hear that alarm? I heard it when I did the washing machines. Because these Hunter fobs. Hunter Kenney. This is a newer Hunter, which is not my style. But this kind of reminds me of my August stuff. I'll spin it by hand. I don't want to hit that sign. I'm already hitting a sign. And I want to hit that paddle stream. That's good enough. We're already hitting a sign. I don't want to hit the paddle stream. And tell the other fans surrounding. But yeah. Okay, the lights.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah. Let's look for some flies while it's spinning. Because the echo light, remember that? Air Duo's new. Fairwind, Harbor Breeze Fairwind. That's actually new. The reminds me of Fanimation Spitfire. Ceiling fan blades. I'm actually gonna look for 42 inch. Do they have 42 inch blade arms in stock? Because I'm trying to look for those, the Coastal Breeze. Because the Coastal Breeze, because those blade arms make the fan wobble, and it needs new blade arms. They're not broken, they're just bent. This thing is new. This thing is new. Still going with the Hunter Kenney. Harbor Breeze Barnstable Bay, that's just not that good. But Harbor Breeze Classics everywhere. So common. Neutron controls, don't need those. I prefer 4-speed. Test like chainless fans like industrials. Still going. This is Fanimation recreated the Solana V2 and put it in the studio collection. That's it. Thanks for watching.